Hey guys, so let me ask you guys about what I think about NIO and just some quick thoughts. Um, I do think there is a chance that we might hit $50 this week. I don't think there's a chance we're gonna hit 60. Not even for a while. I think everything that has been priced into NIO has been already priced in, especially the Biden win and the Republican Senate. I don't think we're gonna hit $60. Again, that's just my opinion. I do think everything has already been priced in. This last run, this huge run for the month has been insane. Even since May and stuff. But I do think the reason we did go up this last week, these last 2 weeks, so much was because the market was pricing in NIO for a Biden win and Republican Senate. Do I think we're gonna hit $60? Probably, yeah, but I don't think we're gonna hit it soon. Unless there's some like astronomical, um, news that NIO is like killing, Tesla, or their EV market is insane, but I mean, you guys can tell me that I'm wrong, maybe like 2 weeks, a month down the line and stuff, but as of right now, I don't see NIO going over $50 in like the next, month or two, I think. I think there has to be some sort of fundamentals to support that and to back that up. And I think as of now, I think it's gonna consolidate around this area, maybe drop down all the way down back to $27 and go back to 40. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. But I do think that NIO has made its run because of the Biden win already. It might run up a little bit more on the $50, but I do think that's gonna be the top. I don't think we're gonna cross that. And if I am wrong, then that happens. But feel free to tell me I'm wrong and stuff, which is fine. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.